Is it okay to mix different paths in your spiritual practice, like doing mantra, then self-inquiry, then something from Tantra? Some people say, don't mix, just stick to one way. Others say, take what works from everywhere. So, what's right? The truth is, the answer depends on your clarity. Not all mixing is bad, but not all mixing is wise either. If you take one thing from here, another from there, and jump between them without depth, it can create confusion. But if you use each tool with care and understand why you're using it, then different paths can help each other. The mantra may calm your mind. Self-inquiry may help you see clearly. Tantra may open your energy. They don't have to fight. They can work together like if your direction is clear. It's like cooking. Different ingredients can make a good dish, but only if they work together. Not every mix works, but the right mix can be powerful. So don't be afraid to explore, but go slowly. Listen to your experience. Don't collect techniques. Let your practice become deep. In the end, all real paths lead to silence, awareness, and freedom from the dukkha. Choose wisely, go deep, and let your path serve the truth you seek.